Looking for the perfect dash cam to protect your car in 2025? In this video, we reveal the top 5 best dash cams, combining cutting-edge features, crystal clear video quality, and unmatched reliability. Stay tuned until the end to discover a powerful AI-enabled dash cam that may surprise you. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The incredible 70mm Dual Dash Cam 4K Omni X800. With revolutionary features like 4K 60fps, AI motion detection, and 360 degrees coverage, this dashcam isn't just smart, it's brilliant. 1. 4K 60fps Ultra HD recording. Experience breathtaking clarity with 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. Fast-moving vehicles stay sharp, and ROI technology enhances license plates automatically. Plus, with a 146 degrees wide angle and 340 degrees rotation, you get full 360 degrees coverage, eliminating blind spots like never before. 2. 4G LTE remote access and parking monitor. With 4G LTE, optional hardware kit needed, you can track, view, and manage your car remotely. AI-powered alerts filter out false motion like wind, while 24/7 monitoring and time-lapse capture ensure you're always covered even when parked. 3. Starvis 2 Night Vision Technology. See clearly in total darkness. Starvis 2 sensors capture 88% more light. Combined with Lumi Vision and Night Owl mode, this dash cam records full color footage in low light conditions, perfect for night driving or poorly lit parking lots. 4. Wi-Fi 6 and built-in GPS. Transfer high-resolution footage to your phone in seconds with blazing fast Wi-Fi 6 at 20 megabytes per second. The built-in GPS precisely tracks your route and speed, making it a powerful tool for personal safety and insurance claims alike. 5. AI Motion Detection 2.0 and Emergency Lock. The rotating front lens automatically follows suspicious movement. If a collision happens, the camera saves a full 30-second clip, preserving vital footage with a secure emergency lock. You'll never lose evidence when it matters most. Conclusion: the 70mm 4K Omni X800 isn't just a dashcam, it's a full-on smart guardian for your car. With cutting-edge features and unbeatable video quality, this is easily one of the best dashcams of 2025. Number 4. The futuristic Miofive Dual Dash Cam, delivering stunning 4K plus 4K video quality, front and rear. Packed with features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Super Night Vision, this is not your average dashcam. Stick around, you're going to love this. 1. True 4K plus 4K video quality. Capture crystal clear footage from both front and rear in full 4K resolution. Every license plate, street sign, and detail is captured with stunning sharpness. It's like watching a movie, only this time, your car is the star of the show. 2. Built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and app control. Download, view, and share footage instantly with fast Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Use the Miofive app for full control from your phone. It's quick, simple, and keeps you connected anytime, anywhere, even while you're on the go. 3. Super Night Vision with HDR. Driving at night? No worries. The Miofive dashcam's HDR and Super Night Vision ensure every scene is bright, detailed, and glare-free, even in pitch darkness. Your night drives are now safer and better recorded than ever before. 4. Smart Parking Monitoring and G-Sensor. Your car stays protected even when parked. Motion detection and the built-in G-Sensor automatically record incidents, locking footage if something hits your vehicle. It's like having a personal security guard on duty 24/7. 5. Includes 64 GB card, supports 512 GB. It comes ready to use with a 64 GB SD card and supports up to 512 GB for non-stop loop recording. No need to worry about running out of space, you're always covered, mile after mile. Conclusion: the Miofive 4K plus 4K dash cam is more than a camera, it's a smart, reliable co-pilot. With stunning video, smart features, and 24/7 protection, it's a must-have for any driver in 2025. Don't miss out, upgrade your drive today. Number 3. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 3. This tiny dashcam packs a punch with 1080p HD clarity, voice control, and automatic recording. You won't believe what this pocket-sized gadget can do. 1. Ultra-compact design, big performance. The Mini 3 lives up to its name, ultra-small and almost invisible behind your rearview mirror. But don't be fooled by its size. It records crystal-clear 1080p HD video with a wide 140 degrees field of view, capturing more than you'd expect. 2. Built-in clarity polarizer. Say goodbye to glare. The clarity polarizer lens drastically reduces reflections and improves image quality, even in harsh sunlight. Your footage stays sharp and clear whether you're cruising in daylight or facing challenging lighting conditions. 3. Voice-controlled convenience. Hands full? No problem. Just use simple voice commands to save videos, start/stop recording, or take a photo. It's smart, safe, and super handy while driving, no distractions, just control at your fingertips. 4. Automatic incident recording. The Mini 3 starts recording the moment you drive and automatically saves crucial footage during incidents. You won't miss a moment, even if you forget to hit record, this cam has your back. 5. Trusted Garmin reliability. With Garmin, you get more than just features, you get trust. Known for precision and durability, this dashcam offers a seamless user experience, combining intelligent design with solid performance you can rely on every drive. Conclusion: the Garmin Dashcam Mini 3 proves that great things come in small packages. It's sleek, smart, and built to capture every moment on the road. If you want top-tier protection in a tiny body, this dashcam is a must-have. Number 2. The Nextbase IQ 1K Smart HD Dashcam. With built-in 4G per LTE, GPS, dual cameras, and AI-powered features, this is more than just a dashcam, it's your car's personal guardian. Let's see what makes it so special. 1. Stunning 1K HD plus 1080p dual view. Experience sharp, crystal-clear 1K front and 1080p rear recording. Whether you're on the highway or parked at night, every detail is captured with precision. This isn't just protection, it's professional-level surveillance for your daily drives. 2. Built-in 4G per LTE and GPS. Stay connected wherever you go. With 4G per LTE, access live footage remotely, receive alerts, and track your car via GPS. It's peace of mind in your pocket, perfect for emergencies, theft, or keeping tabs while you're away. 3. SmartSense parking protection. Even when your car is parked, the Nextbase IQ stays alert. Using SmartSense AI, it detects real threats, not just falling leaves, and begins recording immediately. It's smart, sensitive, and built to protect 24/7. 4. Emergency SOS response. In case of a serious crash, the emergency SOS feature alerts emergency services with your exact location. It could be a true lifesaver, and it's built right in, automatically triggered when it matters most. 5. RoadWatch AI for safer driving. Nextbase's RoadWatch AI monitors road conditions, potential hazards, and nearby vehicles in real time. This isn't just a camera, it's a co-pilot that helps keep you safe, informed, and one step ahead of danger. Conclusion: the Nextbase IQ 1K Smart HD Dashcam is the ultimate blend of safety, smart tech, and stunning video quality. If you're serious about protecting your car and yourself, this is the dashcam to get in 2025. Number 1. The Viofo A229 Pro 4K HDR Dashcam, a powerhouse packed with advanced tech. From dual Starvis 2 sensors to crystal-clear HDR footage, this dashcam is built for safety, clarity, and total peace of mind. 1. 4K plus 2K HDR recording power. The A229 Pro delivers stunning 4K front and 2K rear recording with HDR. Every drive becomes cinematic, capturing license plates and road signs in incredible detail even during fast motion or poor lighting. It's like having eyes that never miss a moment. 2. Dual Starvis 2 Night Vision 2.0. Thanks to Sony's Starvis 2 IMX678 and IMX675 sensors, night vision reaches new heights. Get sharper, brighter, and more balanced footage in complete darkness. Whether you're in a parking lot or on a rural road, this cam sees it all. 3. 24-hour smart parking mode. Even when your car is parked, the A229 Pro stays vigilant. With motion detection and buffered recording, it captures before and after any incident. It's your round-the-clock silent guardian, ensuring your vehicle is always under watchful protection. 4. Fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi and built-in GPS. Transfer footage lightning fast with 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and pinpoint your location with precision using built-in GPS. This makes downloading, sharing, or checking your trip details seamless, perfect for insurance claims or road trip tracking. 5. Voice control and huge storage. Control the dashcam hands-free with simple voice commands so your focus stays on the road. Plus, with support for up to 512 GB storage, you'll never worry about missing critical moments during long drives or extended recordings. Conclusion: the Viofo A229 Pro 4K HDR dashcam isn't just smart, it's brilliant. With unmatched clarity, safety features, and futuristic tech, it redefines car security. Want total confidence behind the wheel? Then this dash cam is your perfect road companion. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.